Got some new motorcycle gloves, AGV Sport, Telluride, winter glove. It's got insulate, shoulder fabric, which is pretty good for abrasion resistance. Hypora waterproof breathable glove insert. And looks like they're sort of that longer gauntlet style. Got some plastic here across the knuckles, these knuckles, a little bit here. Got sort of a suede there, kind of like a ski or snowboard glove. Wipe your nose. Got the reflective piece there. Got some padding right here. Padding right here. And that's all leather with a suede on that. Velcro cover there. Looks like the logo's a little reflective too. Same for the other side. So you got the shoulder, insulate, Hypora, size large. So overall, we'll see how they handle winter, cold and rain.